If you want to remove or delete your Netflix profile on a smart TV, first just go ahead and open the Netflix app. Now, if you're already inside your profile, just navigate towards the left side to your profile picture, and from here, select Switch Profile. Now you can see that this will take you to the profile selection screen. If you got multiple profiles, more than 2 or 3, just highlight the profile you want to remove, and then just select this tiny pen icon at the left side. And there it is, the delete profile option at the bottom. Just scroll down and select delete profile. Just keep in mind that once you delete a profile, its saved items, viewing history, game scores, every other profile data will also be removed. And then just finally confirm your choice, and that profile will be deleted. But there is a heads up. There is an original profile that you've created while creating the account. You cannot delete that profile. The delete option won't be there unless you close your account whatsoever. You can only delete all the additional profiles you've created after that. And you want to create a brand new profile instead, we have a separate video that walks you through the process, so feel free to check that out. That's all for today. Have a good one.